In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI videos with HeyGen AI Video Generator. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press Enter. From the results, click the official HeyGen website to open the app. This gets you straight into the workspace where you can build videos quickly without filming anything yourself. Once you're in, look to the left side panel and select Projects. This is your hub for organizing everything you create. Inside Projects, click New Video to start a fresh project. When the creation options appear, choose Create in AI Studio. The AI Studio gives you the full editor with all the tools you'll need for avatars, backgrounds, captions, and audio. Start by choosing your avatar. Click Avatar to open the library, then pick the one that best fits your brand, audience, or message. Think about tone here: professional, friendly, or energetic, and choose facial expressions and styling that match. A clear, authentic look usually works well for tutorials, explainers, and product demos. Next, adjust the avatar background to match your visual style. Open the avatar background controls, select color, and choose the background color you want. Pick tones that contrast nicely with the avatar so the face remains easy to see. If you have brand colors, this is a great place to use them. Soft neutrals often keep the focus on the message, while bold colors can help your video stand out in feeds. On the left side panel, type or paste your script. Keep sentences clear and conversational, and use punctuation to guide natural pacing. Short paragraphs help the voiceover sound more human and make captions easier to follow. If your script includes terms or names that need careful pronunciation, spelling them phonetically in parentheses can improve clarity. You can also add captions. On the right sidebar, click Captions to open the styling options, then choose the caption style you prefer. Aim for strong readability, medium to large font size, high color contrast, and placement that doesn't block the avatar's mouth or important visuals. Consistent styling across your video makes it feel polished and professional. If you want more flair, you can add music and images. Keep background music subtle so it supports the voice rather than competing with it, and make sure any images reinforce your key points. When everything looks and reads the way you want, head to the top right and click Generate. The video will render based on your avatar, background, script, and style choices. After processing, you'll be able to review your finished AI video and share it wherever you need,